Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add poster stroke effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you can add the photo or the video that you want to edit. And now you can click on the effect at the bottom and then click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can swipe until you can see retro. This one, you just click on it. And after this, in here, you can click on the poster stroke. Okay. And now you can click check icon, this one. And after this, in here, you can adjust the videos, the effect. So you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust the noise, the size for the stroke, the number, like this, the color, the filter, and the last for the distort. And after this, in here, you just click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add poster stroke effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.